Okay, welcome back. Video 3 in our nightstand build. This is going to be assembling the parts to make them look kind of like this. Close this one down. You notice I have my drawer opened, and if I check under Windows, I've got my nightstand currently open in SOLIDWORKS and my drawer currently open in SOLIDWORKS. Since I have both of them open and no other parts, all I have to do is come up here under New and say Assembly. Okay. Since those were the only two SOLIDWORKS parts I currently had open, they auto-populate here on the left-hand side under my menu. So I'm going to pin this menu in place so it stays put. I'm going to click on the nightstand, come out here into space, click, and it'll plop one down. I only want one, so now I'm going to come over, click on the drawer, and I'm going to plop it in space sort of next to the nightstand. And then the green tick mark, and I got my bits and pieces. So now I'm going to change my display coloring so I can see them a bit better. That's better. I'm going to come up here, click on the mate menu. This is how you put assemblies together. Now all I have to do is I'm going to click on this right hand side of the drawer. So that selected that surface. Now I'm going to look inside where that would naturally be sliding against, the surface it would naturally be coincident to. And the computer guesses, hey, do you want these coincident? Well, yes, I do. So green tick mark. But one mate is not enough. I got too many degrees of freedom here still. So I'm going to select this bottom surface inside where the drawer goes, and I'm going to select the surface that it would naturally ride against it. And the computer, once again, is saying, hey, do you want these to be coincident? Well, yes, I do. So now I'll go back to my isometric view. And I have a drawer that slides in and out nicely. It can slide out into space, and it can poke out through the back if you go too far, but you get an idea of how it should operate and function. And there you go. That is quick and easy how you make an assembly. All right, hope you're having a good day.